guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Janella Bell here. If you're new, welcome. If you ain't, welcome back. So basically I'm gonna be installing my friend's wig today. It's her first wig installment and we turn her into a wig babe, so we just gonna get it. She's gone to the toilet, so when she comes back you'll just see us getting into it. I've already stuck her wig cap, so yeah, stay tuned if y'all want to see me install a wig.
If it's something that you want, then you should make me your girl, your girl. If it's something that you need, then baby come and share my world, share my world.
I testify for you. I do that 3 times a good night. Testify for you. I thought I like you, that bitch I do it all, and I won't mind just getting you. I'm not long as you choose it now after me. I got it. My bitch skinny, do it. I your body. Long as you dreaming about me, ain't no problem. I don't got nobody just with you right now. But the truth, I look better under you. I can't lose when I'm with you. How can I snooze and miss the moment? You're just too important. Nobody like you do. I can't lose when I'm with you. I can just snooze and miss the moment. You're just too important. Nobody like you do. Yeah, girl. In the top ride with you, I feel like Scarface. That boy bitch with the bob, I'll be your main one. It's safe as I give it back up to my place. Sex around you, I'm not violent on your day one. We had shit, yeah. It was magic, yeah. Smash and grab shit, yeah. Nasty habits take a home when you're not here. Ain't a home when you're not here. I'll be home when you're not here. I'm saying I can't lose when I'm with you. How can I snooze and miss the moment? You're just too important. Nobody like you do. I can't lose when I'm with you. How can I snooze and miss the moment? You're just too important. Nobody like you do. You do. Are you fucking on me? I'm my main one. Are you blaming on me? You the main one. Are you threatening me? Then I'm the main one. Just tryna be your everything. Main one. Are you fighting with me? And I'm the main one. Are you blaming on me? And you the main one. Are you blaming on me? And I'm the main one. I can't lose when I'm with you. How can I snooze and miss the moment? You're just too important. Nobody like you do. I can't lose when I'm with you. How can I snooze and miss the moment? You're just too important. Nobody like you do. You do.
Don't let that nigga try to vote. Let me pop off and get my rocks off. Can knock his socks off. Think they got lost. I'ma go like Grace. She must have took her meds. It cost her arm and leg. I let her give me free. I just thought it out. Feel like shot it low. Left into the bank, but shit is not a joke. Yeah, I'm coming along soon.
Look at her. Look at her mama, man. Look at her. That ain't my girl. That's my nigga. Catch me out on Ocean Drive with her. Hey, catch me in the whip, ride with her. Hey, sipping something, bumping big, hypnotized with her. Pray you get that job in Tampa. That's only 4 hours away. Take a car, take a plane, baby, whichever is faster. Oh, whichever one is in the household. Oh, damn, yeah, man. Oh, never knew, no, I never knew that you be a freak and a friend too. Yeah, you into everything I'm into. Oh, I got something that I could lend you. Oh, a peace of mind, baby. Come and get a peace of mind. Yeah. Say you gotta work from 3 to 9. Oh, I get you home by a decent time. Wait, your bed, you can sleep in mine. Yeah, let's make it happen, girl. I need some time. Speaking of time, who stopped it? That's the feeling that I get when we lock lips. I got the weed at the crib and the liquor too. I fuck your soul, I release in your spiritual. I be your muse, bring your easel and pencils too. Here you go, you try to tease with them pictures. You could ride on me just like you ride the elliptical. She said I'm tryna keep it tight for my nigga. Girl, I like your last nigga, all I need is mental. You know I'll work you out, get you right with your physical. Always just another interlude. Asking all them questions, girl, you know I don't do interviews. It's pitiful that when I'm with them other bitches, I pretend it's you. Oh, you work at Kohl's, you in dental school. Wife and now you folding clothes, cooking dinner too. Young chiller, girl, I'm known as Pim Griffey too. It's only right that I swing by and hit it too. First base, second base, third base. I'm trying to get you in your birthday. Oh, I know these other niggas thirsty, but please never entertain them, cause that would hurt me, you feel me? Yeah. I know you feel me. Oh, I know you feel me. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Whoa, whoa. Huh. Girl, I know you feel me. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Oh, so much to live for, too, baby. Whoa. Let's not rush into it now. Let's not rush into it when we get
Safe to say the kid get older. Forever gang, I'm never switching over. Made a lane and niggas can't get over. I can't mess with rappers, they be bogus. Rather get the pack and keep it open. Big dripper stand up in the ocean. Everybody trapping, we get lost. He ain't focused yet, but he ain't got motion. Made a half a ticket, not promotion. Shout out Sushi Sweet and keep me rolling. But if we get the op, we gotta slow. Ride around with Trace, like we OVO. I got some rats and I want some. Still got a pass in the hood, call it give and go. Keep a nigga, man, bitch in a figure four. Let me fuck when I want, I just come and go. Man, these drinking too deep for these skinny clothes. I might put me in him in some picture boat. They look bro, hit this nigga start getting low. I spent time on the rats on the Lambo and didn't even know how to make them motherfuckers go. On my birthday, I just wanna lift the dough. Barely fit, but don't play with me, period. Keep this follow behind in the years. In the road, I feel like a tourist. I'm the one from the bottom who sold out my partner, the promise. God, the period. I fuck with slides and I'm gonna bust. You can't put on that drip, he ain't one of us. How you riding the Benz in a Tonka truck? How you got everybody lit piping up? Oh, she bad with no swag, I can pipe her up. They my last and my last, I know I can up. Count the money up, feel like I'm typing some. I'm the type to get active and never run. Keep the rules, my niggas ain't scared of none. Ain't no rules, you got rats, you can get it done. On a light day, I keep me 100 bucks. We can hit after he call me very fun. But it's Christmas, I brought everybody. Lost and choppers and F's for everyone. Take the roof out the collar up for the sun. I'm gonna see his pop, I 5,000 money. Got the bitch off the collar, she suck it and swallow. I stick it and she feel it in her gut. Nigga don't run for my collar, we stacking up guala and guala and try get it mega buck. See them drip, little nigga, best watch your step. This top shelf, got 40 designer belts. OPF, look like the new BML. Think I'm dumb, got clothes in my right or left. Say you drunk up the car, ain't no key in there. Just put us in they pocket, get out of there. Ain't gon' have a hard time finding what to wear. Treat the hoe like a tire, I keep a spell. On the stuff because I'm warring. Check the tracks, I'm counting more fake. Sky scrollers, movie in a prison. Tonnage 50, flying, Richard Mello. But the game to his empty, the color spit and flavor to his empty. I am not a killer, but I'm telling you, I'm spending rate 5,000 to a 50.
undress. Don't deny what you feel, let me undress you, babe. Open up your mind and just rest. I'm about to let you know you make me so. Don't deny what you feel, let me undress you, babe. Open up your mind and just rest. I'm about to let you know you make me so, 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 so. You make me so, 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 so. You make me so, 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 so. You make me so, 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 so.
Every second, every minute, man, I swear that she can get it. Say every second, every minute, man, I swear that she can get it. Say if you a bad bitch, put your hands up high, hands up high, hands up high. Tell them dim the lights down right now, put me in the mood. I'm talking about dark room, perfume, go, go.
I recognize your fragrance, hold up.
If we didn't stop.
Little bit, high maintenance, everybody else basic. You live life on an everyday basis with poetic justice, poetic justice. If I told you that a flower bloomed in a dark room, would you trust it? I mean, I write poems in these songs dedicated to you when you're in the mood for empathy. There's blood in my pen. Better yet, with your friends and them. I really wanna know you all. I really wanna show you off. Fuck God, pour up plenty of champagne. Cold nights when you curse this name. You called up your girlfriends and y'all curled in that little bitty range. I heard that she wanna go and party. She wanna go and party. Nigga, don't approach her with that Atari. Nigga, that ain't good game, homie, sorry. They say conversation rule a nation. I can tell, but I could never right my wrong.
What did the hair?
Bitch, you know I'm sexy. Don't call, just text me. Bitch is slow, can't get on my speed. They stare cause they know I'm the ITGIRL. You know I am